There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never...
Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. Today we are going to be doing a Get It Done with me. I have a lot of things on my list, mostly cleaning things. Really want to give the house a good cleaning top to bottom and finish up with like my homeschool preparation tasks. I need to place a grocery order. I need to do just a lot of things around my house, and so I thought I would bring you guys along to hopefully motivate you and also to share with you, what I'm doing here in my day. So I want to thank Typology for sponsoring this video. So I'm actually going to film this over probably like 2 days because there's just no way for me to get it done all in one day. But like I said, cleaning the whole house top to bottom. I am commissioning helpers. My husband's doing the bathrooms. 2 of my kids are helping out. The other 2 are working, so they're not able to help out. So it'll be them. I need to place a grocery order. I need to menu plan. I need to wrap a gift for a dance teacher who is having a baby. I need to finish up some homeschool related tasks because we are getting ready to go off on our 2-week RV trip. And then when we come back, we're only gonna have 1 week to settle back in, and then we'll be starting our new school year. So all of those things I need to get done. So yeah, this is just gonna be like a mashup of 2 days of getting things done, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So since today I'm going to be cleaning my entire house and getting things checked off of my to-do list, I obviously am not going to be putting on makeup and getting myself, all ready for the day like I typically would. And that's where today's video sponsor, Typology, comes in, you guys. I'm so excited to be partnering with Typology to share about some of my favorite products from them. If you're not familiar with Typology, they are a French-based skincare brand that is vegan and cruelty-free, and they abide by the EU regulations when it comes to skincare. Now, the other really cool thing about Typology is that their products are hybrid products. What that means is you're getting long-lasting skincare benefits from what you use from Typology while also getting an immediate visual effect, like when I put on these glow drops and these bronzing drops, which I'm going to show you guys here in a second. So the first thing that I got from Typology is their 9-ingredient face moisturizer. Now this moisturizer is lightweight, it has no fragrance, and it is safe for all skin types. I love this from them. I also grabbed the bronzing drops, which these are one of my favorite products from Typology. And I also grabbed another bottle of their glow drops. This combination right here with the moisturizer is my favorite no makeup routine that isn't like just my bare skin. It gives it a little glow. It looks super hydrated, but it's not putting on makeup. And then I also got the Sheer Honey Lip Oil, which this lip oil is not sticky, and it is made with squalene, vitamin E, and jojoba oil, and it is so nice and just gives your natural coloration to your lips to come out, and it's just so beautiful. So when I just want to put something on my skin so it's not just my bare face, but I don't want to wear makeup, Typology is my go-to. So let me show you guys how this looks. Okay, so there's nothing on my skin right now. I just washed my face with my cleanser. So I'm going to take some of my Typology 9-ingredient face moisturizer. And then this is what I love, these bronzing drops for. These are made with vitamin E and apricot extract, actually. So you just give it a little shake, and then depending on how much of a bronze look you want, you just drop it straight in to your moisturizer. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the glow drops. Now, the active ingredient in here is vitamin C and aloe vera. So again, you're getting all of the skincare benefit while also getting an immediate immediate visual effect from the products. So we've got it all mixed here. I'm just gonna rub it together and you guys are gonna watch. You can see now just that I have a little bit of that radiant glow right here, just a little bit of color to my face, but again, it's not makeup. And so while I'm cleaning, it's going to just be doing its skincare thing and just giving me a little bronzy, youthful, moisturized glow to my skin, which I love. And I'm gonna finish it off with some of this sheer honey lip oil. Like I said, this is not sticky and it goes on so smooth, so beautifully, and is so good for your lips. So this is my cleaning day, skincare, no makeup routine. And I love how I have this just natural radiance to my skin because of these amazing products from Typology. So right now, and for a limited time only, for 1 week from when I post this video, I have an awesome offer from Typology to share with you guys. If you spend $40 or more, you are going to get a free gift with your purchase. And I highly recommend you take my advice and get my Glowy Skin Roundup, which is gonna be the lip oil, the bronzing drops, the glow drops, and then the 9-ingredient facial moisturizer. So if you grab all of those incredible products, then you're obviously going to be able to get that free gift with purchase. And like I said, that offer is available for a limited time only, 1 week from this video, and the links to Typology will be down in the description box.
needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray.
Okay, so I've sat down at my desk to get a few things done for planning for our homeschool year. I have been using my free summer prep checklist, and as you can see, I am almost all the way filled in on my own checklist. Some of this stuff, I made this for myself and for you guys. It's a free download on my website, which is linked down below. But certain things, for the most part, I do all of this every year, but like, for example, practice logging in for all online courses. They all know how to do that now, so I don't need to spend so much time doing that. But I have a few things that I need to check off of that. And then another thing that I'm doing this year is with the Good and the Beautiful Language Arts, which I will have my youngest daughter in the 8th grade doing high school level 1, and then my son in the 10th grade doing high school 2. I am going to put like finish by dates on the inside of each of these units so that they know when the unit needs to be done. I have a, where is it? I have a year at a glance calendar that I've actually never done a year at a glance calendar. My friend Alicia from Learning Well does this, and I was like, you know what, that actually might be a really good idea. So I went through first with this year at a glance calendar, and I put lines through the months that we're not doing school at all. So you can see we're starting in September. And then I went in, and the pink highlighter means days off, like for sure days off. And I like to leave some flexibility there. So you'll see there's not like that many except for like in December. And then for the green highlighter, if I bring it closer, you can see those are all like homeschool group activities. So that just gives me like a good glance at, you know, how many days off do we have? How many days are we gonna be like doing an activity out of the house? And it just kind of lets me see where we're gonna be at. So with that being said, we have September, October, November. I'm not counting December for school because December is always a very light month. So September, October, November, that's 3. January, February, that's 5. March 6, April 7, May 8. So if I were to take the 10 units of language arts and give them an entire month to do each one, we wouldn't finish the course by the end of the year. So what I need to do is plan end by dates in here. I'm gonna give them about 4 weeks on each one, but some of the months have 5 weeks, and so they'll go ahead and start, and then that's how we'll get to the 10. So I've never done that before, but I just think it might be helpful for them and for me. So that's what I'm gonna do now. This was something that has been on my get prepared list, and like I said, we're leaving on our 2-week RV road trip pretty soon, and so I want to have all this stuff done before we go. All right, the next homeschool task that I had on my list that I need to do is to take these 2 BJU courses and assign them. So this is the homeschool hub that comes with the BJU courses from BJU Press Homeschool. And obviously my daughter graduated. My son, who's a senior, has already met all of his science and foreign language requirements, so he's not taking anything from BJU for his senior year. My daughter in the 8th grade did BJU ASL last year and she loved it, but they don't have a second course available yet. So it's just my son, who's going to be in the 10th grade, who is doing BJU this year, but normally all of your kids' classes would pop up here. And then there's a way to assign the course so that it appears on their portal when they log in. And see, this is asking me to assign it to my son, so I actually need to change the child that that these courses are going to. So these are going to Landon. So he is getting assigned these courses. So that's what I need to do next so that his BJU courses are all ready to go. So I have officially checked off everything that I needed to do for our summer list. And then I made a few little last minute notes here of things that I need to do when we get back from our trip. So I'm just gonna leave that on my desk. But these are things that I'm gonna wait until we're back for. A lot of them are like online things that'll be instant, so I don't need to worry about it too much. So I got that down though so that I don't forget anything for getting back into our school. So that's gonna be it for me today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed getting things done with me. Don't forget to take advantage of the limited time offer from Typology down below for a free gift with a purchase of $40 or more. That is only valid for 1 week following this video, so I hope you guys take advantage of that offer. Thank you for getting things done with me. Give this video a thumbs up before you click out of it. It's a free way to support my channel and I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys again in my next video very soon. Bye.